With the Nissan Energy Charge Network, ARIYA drivers have access to one of the largest public charging networks in the nation. And that network is now even bigger, with access to the Tesla Supercharging network when you purchase a NACS adapter kit through Nissan or a Nissan dealership. You can use your MyNISSAN app to find a compatible Tesla Supercharger station through the Nissan Energy Charge Network. To complete a charging session, you must have your Nissan plug adapter installed and use a Nissan-provided NACS adapter. To find a compatible supercharger, open the map screen in the MyNISSAN app. Filter to the Tesla Supercharger network to locate compatible locations on the map. Once you select your charging station, you can also choose to create a route to send to your vehicle. Select the date and time of your route for future use or choose to send now. Once at the supercharging location, attach your adapter to the supercharger cable and push it in until it clicks. Next, plug the adapter into your vehicle's charge port, and again you will hear a click. Now open the MyNISSAN app and select the charger that you are plugged into. Press Start Charge. Confirm you are using a Nissan-provided adapter and start your session by pressing Yes, Start. Your charge session will now begin, and your Nissan wallet will be billed automatically. When you are ready to stop your charge, you can push the unlock button on the supercharger handle. If you prefer, you can also choose to stop your charge using the MyNISSAN app. Unplug the adapter from the charge port and then remove your adapter from the charge cable by pressing the cable release button. Stow the supercharger handle and you are ready to go. You have now successfully completed a charging session. Nissan Energy's vast network of charging options give ARIYA drivers even more choices and inspire confidence along the way.